Hello students, good afternoon. Already we are dealing with the lesson that is 1.2 Dick Whittington's Catch. You already know how the Dick Whittington went from London, went to London for kind of his fortune, etc. And he made Mr. Figure merchant, etc. And he is remaining in his house, in his kitchen, okay, for helping the poor. After that, what happened? Yes, one day Mr. Fitzgerald wanted to sell his ship to another country, okay, for business purposes, etc., for trade purposes, etc. That time he asked his each and one person who were working in his house, in his kitchen, etc. That time he asked to Dick about his he want to provide any materials, okay, for business purposes, etc. But he had not anything rather than the cat. That time Dick decides to give that cat. Okay, the captain also, the captain also became happy. Okay, and whatever he was ready to accept the cat. Now let us start. Okay, for this lesson only. Okay, page number 8, standard 8. Okay, so Dick fetched his cat and said goodbye to it sadly. The captain of the ship was delighted, for the cat was an excellent mouser, and so he had no trouble with rats and mice on his voyage. Okay, mouser is what? M-O-U-S-E-R. M-O-U-S-E-R. Mouser is what? That an animal that catches mice. Okay, an animal that is running. Catches mice. Mouse are an animal that catches mice. Okay, like that. The cat was a very good one. Okay, it catches mice. It was excellent mouser. After some months, the ship arrived at a place on the African coast, Barbary, when people called the Moors lived. The captain sent a message to the king to say he had fine goods for sale, and he was invited to the palace to show them. Look here, after some days, after some months, not days, but after some months, what happened that a ship reached to the African coast. Okay, at a place on the African coast, Barbary. What is the name of that coast? African coast is called as the Barbary. And on this Barbary coast, what happened that ship reached. That time the captain, what happened? People called the Muslim. That time the people were living. Yes, that the time the people who were living on the Barbary coast called the Moors. M-W-O-R-S. M-W-O-R-S Moors means it is a one type of a tribe. It is the name of the people. Okay, they were living on the African coast. And what is the name of the African coast? Barbary. A-R-B-A-R-Y. Then the captain sent a message to the king to say he had fine goods for sale. The captain sent a message. He sent one message to the king of that Africa. What he said that he had brought already some goods for sale, some things for sale in the ship, and he was invited to a palace to show them. Then the king told that he has invited to the captain to show those things to them in their palace. While he was talking to the king and queen, some dishes of food were brought in, but almost immediately rats and mice ran up and before the captain's eyes ate all the food. Look at it. Then this the ship reached on the coast of Barbary, called the Barbary, the people who were living called the Moors on the African coast. That time this captain told the king that he brought some goods for the sailing, etc. That time the king he invited the captain, and he told him to better to come to his palace and show the things. Then the captain went in the palace of that king, and the food was served for this captain, etc. That time what happened? The rats and mice were running here and there. In front of him only, in front of captain, in front of the king and queen, only. What about the rats and mice? Ate all the food. Ate all the food. Then it is how it is what you call interesting one, and how what you call the bad things that to eat all the food. Okay, by the rat and mice. It is a bad thing. Okay. Then what about while he was talking to the queen and some dishes of the food were brought in, but almost immediately rats and mice ran up and before the captain says ate all the food. The captain was astonished and asked him if this was what normally happened. Astonished, they become surprised. The captain surprised. What's going on? Yes, here how the rats and mice are eating all the food, etc. Alas, yes, came the reply. The country is suffering from a plague of rats and mice and we cannot get rid of them. Look here, that time the king said, alas, it is very bad thing. That it is very bad thing. The country is suffering from the plague. Plague, plague. What do you mean by plague? Plague is one type of disease, deadly disease. Disease spelling D-E. Yes, plague. What do you call
D-E-S-E-A-C.
D-A-S-E. Correct? Yes. Disease. Yes, plague is one type of disease. What we call. Yes. Listen. Plague. It's one type of disease. I tell you. Because nowadays you can observe that corona disease there. Yes. No. Before 200 years ago, what happened? There was a I think in 1820 or 1720, there was one deadly disease called as a plague. Understand? Or 1920, I think called. It means in the gap of every 100 years, you can observe some new diseases. Okay, like a plague, cholera. Okay, again what you call this corona. This corona disease now. Okay. This corona disease. What is this plague? Plague is one type of disease. B-I-S-E-A-S-E. Okay. Disease. Yes. B-I-S-E-A-S-E. Disease. This is one type of disease like a corona. You can observe now corona disease in what you call 2020. Okay. But this plague also. Okay. There was a plague before 100 years or 200 years ago. There was one disease called as plague. How the plague created? What is the reason behind this plague disease? The plague disease, the reason behind the plague disease is the rats and mice. Okay, and because of that rats and mice, so many rats and mice were there in Africa. Okay, that time. That's why the Africa country was suffering from this plague. No one was getting rid. Okay, getting rid means no one was curing, no one was able to cure from that disease. Get rid of them. Okay, etc. I think I may have the answer on my seat, said the captain. The captain said, yes, I think I have an answer for this, what you call this disease. And he sent a message asking for Dick's cat to be brought to the palace. More food was laid out and the rats and mice appeared as before. The cat immediately pounced, killing at least a dozen before they scattered. Everyone was delighted and the queen asked, what do you call this animal? That's wicked. What happened? Suddenly when the captain said, if the plague disease is there in your country, in Africa, okay, and if you are unable to kill the cat, rats and mice, okay, but the answer is there on that sheet. What is the answer? The cat. Okay, then the captain ordered his servant to bring that cat which is already on the sheet, and they brought that cat, yes, and what you call, kept in front of the king and queens. When the food was served, okay, that time suddenly so many rats and mice were came. Yes, when the cat seen all those things, rats and mice, suddenly the cat pounced, you can see the pounced and jumped, and at least dozen rats and mice. The cat killed dozen of rats and mice. That time the queen surprised. She became happy. She asked, what do you call this animal? This is a strange animal. What do you call? Okay. Then, puss. That time, the captain said, puss. P-U-S-S, puss. Is the name she answers to, said the captain. And when the queen called, puss, puss, The cat went over to her and purred. The queen was a little alarmed at first, as she had seen how firstly the cat had attacked the rats and mice. But the captain told her not to be anxious. First, you very friendly people, he said, and you would soon reach your kingdom of rats and mice. Look here, how it is interesting, because I think that time the story, no doubt, okay, at that time in Africa, there are so many rats and mice in the kingdom of the king, okay, in the kingdom. That time, when the food was served on the table, etc., in front of the captain, so many rats and mice came and ate all, finished all the food. That time the captain surprised, he astonishingly surprised. Okay, and he said this answer for the disease called as a plague. Okay, and he ordered the servant to bring that cat from that what you call that bone or sick, and servant brought the cat. When he brought the cat and when he seen the rats and mice, okay, eating the food, etc., suddenly, immediately the cat constantly jumped and attacked the more than 12 or a dozen of rats and mice and killed them. That time the queen asked the captain what you call this cat. That time she said this cat. That time the captain said that this animal is called as the puss in this cat. Okay, and then the queen asked for the puss by name. That time the cat went in front of her and sit in front of her. Like this, I think you understood this up to this. Okay, lesson, you understood this one and you enjoyed this lesson. Okay, and the further lesson we will teach in next period. Okay, we just take on homework. Okay, one question as a homework. First, what happened when food was brought. What happened when food was brought in at the fence? Second, why was the queen afraid of the cat? Why was the queen afraid of the cat? You can solve these questions. Usually, I know you read the lessons, you can get the answer of these questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.